Oh, I saw her. She's there. I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. Where's flowers? I saw flowers here. They don't have it anymore? Please, they have to have it. They have this one. I want some rose or something, not sunflower. It's not that. I should come out yesterday. I'm actually run out of time, so I can't go anywhere else. This man. Really? They don't have it? Really? I'm so hungry. I should have bought it yesterday. There's no choice. I have to get the sunflower. I hope it's at least better than nothing. I'm picking up my wife right now. I'm on my way to the airport. Yeah, and I got these flowers. I wanted to buy like red color, like rose, something look good. That's my fault. I should have come out yesterday. I should have bought it yesterday. I'm always like that, always put things behind. I always do things in the last minute. Okay, I'm going to drive. Why am I nervous? Excited, nervous. I haven't seen her for almost 3 years now. And she's visiting this time for 2 weeks. And the first week, this week, I have to work. But next week, I requested whole week off so I can spend time with her. That's really good. Oh, somehow I'm so nervous and excited at the same time. I couldn't sleep well last night. I slept only 4 hours. You know this feeling like the day before you go to vacation or something. You're excited so you can sleep. That was my feeling last night. And actually I'm afraid to drive over there at the airport. You know what happened last time? I was at the airport, I was driving. And this navigation told me go to some direction and I followed it. And actually that way was wrong. I took the opposite way. And the security, the person who works there, he was whistling on me, beep, 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 beep. And then I stopped the car immediately and oh, I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. My navigation told me go this way. I didn't know. Oh, I am very sorry. Yeah, he stopped the cars around there and let me go. That was so embarrassing and nervous and oh, yeah, since then I don't want to go there. And this drink, guess what? This is Korean banana milk. I bought it last time when I went to H-Mart. Do you remember? This morning I had a cup of coffee. I usually drink like 2 cups of coffee every day, but since I didn't sleep well last night, I don't want to drink 2 cups because I want to sleep well tonight. So I decided to bring my banana milk instead of coffee. Hey, and then my house is super dirty and messy. She'll be surprised and she might kill me because we are so different. I'm a messy person. She's very organized. But when we live together, I try not to make so much mess because I don't want her to extra work because of me. But still, like, not that clean, but at least better than right now. I had breakfast. You know what I made this morning? Do you know Korean spiced tuna can? Today I made spiced tuna with regular tuna can. You will see the video in the future. Maybe I already uploaded it before this video uploaded. I was surprised. The taste was pretty close, very close. And it was actually delicious. The spiced tuna can is like $4.50 per can. I can make it way cheaper. Yeah. So if I ever wanna eat that, I think I'm gonna make it again. It's actually very easy. Do you want me to tell you the recipe right now? I will tell you. I used 2 cans of tuna. Cube the veggies, very small pieces. I used half potato, pretty big one, half an onion, and 2 green onion. I cubed them very small pieces because it will be cooked faster. Oil on the pan, put all the veggies in, stir fry for maybe a couple minutes, not too long, and put the canned tunas, 2 cans. And what did I put in? 2.5 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 3 spoons of gochujang, 2 spoons of gochugaru, and 1 spoon of Korean tuna sauce. It's similar than fish sauce, but it's not that fishy. And close the lid, cook it on medium heat, and then once the onion releasing water, open the lid, add some water, mix everything together. Close the lid again, cook it on low heat for a couple more minutes. Actually, when I made it, I was mixing everything and it was too thick, so I had to add some water. Yeah, I learned it while I'm cooking. After 2 minutes, finish it with sesame oil and some black pepper. That's it. That's it. I don't know why I'm talking about recipe here right now, but hopefully you liked it. Maybe there's a lot of traffic. The estimate arrival time is actually a little bit too long. Maybe I'm gonna be late. I checked it on my phone before I buy the flowers. I had plenty of time. It's not anymore. Okay, I'm gonna focus on driving. I can do many things at the same time. Is that called multitasking? Yeah, I can do that. Now I know why it says the arrival time is so late. I don't know where, but last time I changed the setting, avoid highway. Luckily, I just figured out just now, and it changed the time like 40 minutes reduced, so I'm fine. I was suspicious because why it doesn't let me go, like why I don't take any highway until now. Haha, but I found out.
청취자 여러분께서는 지금 AM 1000억
Oh, finally I arrived. I'm gonna take a picture of the parking lot so I'm not gonna lose. Today I didn't go wrong way. Today I got right way. Ha ha ha. Wow, I need a restroom so bad. Ooh. Oh, and I'm actually hungry. I'm at the airport. So many cars. I really hate driving in this traffic. Well, I'm here. Well, I think I parked too far. Wow, a lot of people. Today's Wednesday. I'm so urgent. I found the restroom. I'm gonna run. Wow, I'm so relieved. I remember this coffee being here. Last time I was here I was picking up my mother-in-law. This is arrival. Let me check the flight. I just went to restroom again. I think she's arriving right now. I don't know how to describe this feeling. I mean, like, why am I nervous? I'm waiting my wife. Let me sit down and wait. Apparently the flight is delayed. Why? Why? Oh, I saw her. She's there. I gotta go. I'll see you guys later.